Hello students. Yesterday I discussed functions of top level management, middle level management and lower level management. Today topic is coordination. Students, it is a very important term, coordination. So what is the meaning of coordination? Listen carefully. Coordination means to synchronize the efforts of all people working in the organization. Means coordination synchronizes करता है efforts को all pupils working in the organization, जो सभी pupil, सभी workers, सभी लोग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वर्क करते हैं उनके efforts को synchronize करता है. Now here the meaning of synchronize means bring together, एक साथ लेकर चलना. This is the work of coordination. It's clear students? As you show in an organization, we have a various departments, just like we have a production departments, we have a sales departments, we have a purchase departments, we have a finance departments, we have a human resource departments, etc. So coordination means to synchronize the efforts of all these departments and make sure that they all are moving in the same direction, that is achieving of organizational goal. It's clear students? For example, in a software manufacturing company, suppose there is a software manufacturing company, the sales department has received an order of manufacturing 10,000 software. Listen carefully students, this is example. There is a software manufacturing company and the sales department has received an order of manufacturing 10,000 software. Now sales department will be able to execute this order only if the production departments manufactured 10,000 software. समझ में आया बच्चों? सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट इस ऑर्डर को तभी फुलफिल कर पाएगा जब प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट 10,000 सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्शन करने में एबल होगा. नाउ प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट्स विल बी एबल to manufacture 10,000 software only if the raw material department, that is purchase department, is able to give it the required material well in time. Means बच्चों कि प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट 10,000 सॉफ्टवेयर को मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करने में तभी एबल होगा जब उसको 10,000 सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए टाइम पर रॉ मटेरियल अवेलेबल होगा. ओके, द रॉ मटेरियल डिपार्टमेंट, दैट इज आपका परचेज डिपार्टमेंट, विल बी एबल टू परचेज रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल ओनली इफ इट गेट्स ए ग्रीन सिग्नल from the finance departments. Means कि परचेज डिपार्टमेंट उस रॉ मटेरियल्स को जो 10,000 सॉफ्टवेयर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है तभी एबल होगा परचेजिंग करने के लिए तब, यानी कि जब फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट उसको ग्रीन सिग्नल मीन्स उसको परमिट करेगा टू परचेज द रॉ मटेरियल्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो we can see here that the work of all department is interrelated, so they have to coordinate their activities with one another. It's clear students कि they have to coordinate their activities with one another. यही रिक्वायरमेंट है, इसी वजह से सारे डिपार्टमेंट एक दूसरे की एक्टिविटी को कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक सी हेयर कि these are the various department which are executing the organization, just like purchase department, finance department, sales department, HR department, production department. तो ये एक दूसरे से कोऑर्डिनेट है, एक दूसरे का इंटरलेटेड है. इट्स क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली स्टूडेंट्स कि कोऑर्डिनेशन इज नॉट ए सेपरेट फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. कोऑर्डिनेशन जो है वो मैनेजमेंट का सेपरेट फंक्शन नहीं है. मीन्स के मैनेजमेंट हैव ओनली 5 फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है, मैनेजमेंट के 5 फंक्शंस होते हैं, डेट इज प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग, डायरेक्टिंग, कंट्रोलिंग एक्सेट्रा. Coordination is not a sixth function of management, but it is the essence of management. See here student, there is a circle. Here we have draw the circle just like here. ठीक है, if this is a garland, this circle is assume a garland in which planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling are the flowers of this garland. Then coordination is a thread which is going to bind all these flowers together. Okay students, coordination is a thread which is going to bind all these flowers together. यानी कि coordination इन सभी flowers को एक साथ bind up करता है. Now coordination is the very first stage of planning. Students, coordination planning से ही start हो जाता है. As you know कि the top level management plans for the entire organization. जो टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट होता है वो पूरी एंटायर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के लिए मेक द प्लान्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, दिस इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग keeping the plans. See here which are make the top level management. So in organizing, keeping the plans in mind, and organizational structures is developed in the organization. Okay student, then we moved to staffing. Keeping in the organizational structures in the mind, the necessary people are hired, the necessary employees are hired or selected, okay student, to perform the activities. Then directing, this is here directing, keeping the goal or objectives which are set up by the top level management in the mind. The necessary work or duties are assigned to the pupil. Okay students, now we talk about controlling. This is controlling. Again, keeping the goals or objectives in the mind, we compare the actual performance with the predetermined objectives or predetermined plan. So we can see that coordination is required in all the functions of management. Coordination is required in all the functions of management. Okay, students, not only in function of management, the coordination has to be required in levels of management. Top level management need to coordinate with their subordinate, means middle level need to coordinate with middle level or their subordinates by formulating the policies and objectives or goals of the organization. It's clear, students? मीन्स कि टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट को रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कोऑर्डिनेशन की विद देयर सबॉर्डिनेट, मतलब टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट कोऑर्डिनेट करता है अपने सबॉर्डिनेट्स लेवल से यानी कि मिडिल लेवल से बाय फॉर्मुलेटिंग द पॉलिसीज एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स और गोल्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नाउ middle level management need to coordinate with the supervisory level of management in order to see whether the work is being done in the accordance with the organizational goals or objectives. Now, in supervisory levels of management, they have to coordinate with the factory workers. As you know, beta, this level of management directly connected to the आपका workers, to the employees. And middle level management, they have to give the instructions to the worker and ensure that the workers are doing the job as per the instructions received. Means जो लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट है यहाँ कोऑर्डिनेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है विद आपका फैक्ट्री वर्कर्स को कोऑर्डिनेट करना है एंड एंश्योर दैट, ये एंश्योर करना है कि वर्कर्स आर डूइंग द जॉब एज पर द इंस्ट्रक्शन रिसीव्ड, यानी कि जो उनको इंस्ट्रक्शंस रिसीव्ड हुआ है फ्रॉम द आपका मिडिल लेवल से एंड दे हैव दैट पास आउट द इंस्ट्रक्शन टू द आपका लोअर लेवल कि all the workers are performing according to that instructions or not. So therefore coordination has to be there at all levels of management and in all functions of management. Okay, students?